support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the beautiful, serene world of small private courtyard design. But what exactly does this mean? A small private courtyard design refers to the intentional planning and styling of an enclosed or semi-enclosed outdoor area that is directly attached to or nestled within a home. Unlike a sprawling backyard, a private courtyard is defined by its boundaries, often formed by the walls of the house, privacy fences, or strategic structures. It represents a micro-sanctuary designed to bridge the gap between interior living and the natural world, functioning as an outdoor room where privacy, comfort, and aesthetics seamlessly converge. Having a small private courtyard brings an array of incredible benefits to your lifestyle and your home's layout. First and foremost, it serves as an intimate extension of your indoor living space, making your home feel significantly larger and more open by pulling in natural light and fresh air. Because it is sheltered by surrounding walls, a courtyard provides a high level of privacy and security compared to a standard front or backyard, creating a quiet retreat free from the prying eyes of neighbors or street noise. It also offers a safe, controlled environment for relaxing, dining, or reading outdoors. From a wellness perspective, having immediate access to a private pocket of nature lowers stress and boosts mood, while from a practical standpoint, smaller courtyards require far less maintenance and water than expansive lawns, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors without the endless yard work. Decorating a small courtyard to look visually stunning requires a smart balance of scale, texture, and vertical elements. To make the space look cohesive and expansive, treat it like an indoor room by establishing a clear focal point, such as a water feature, a beautiful tree, or a cozy seating arrangement. Use vertical gardening techniques, climbing vines, or wall planters to draw the eye upward, maximizing your greenery without sacrificing valuable floor space. Incorporate a balanced color palette through your choice of paving materials, wall paint, and outdoor textiles to maintain a clean, organized look. Strategic lighting is also key. Use a combination of warm wall sconces, string lights, or uplighting on trees to create depth, drama, and an inviting ambience after dark. Finally, use mirrors or geometric patterns on the ground to visually fool the eye into thinking the courtyard is much wider than it actually is. To bring your private courtyard to life, investing in the right key items is essential for maximizing both comfort and functionality. High-quality, space-saving furniture is a must, such as sleek built-in bench seating, modular L-shaped sofas, or a classic bistro set that can be tucked away easily. For greenery, rely on large structural planters, raised garden beds, or a statement tree to add life and architecture to the space. An outdoor rug featuring bold geometric patterns can instantly ground your seating area and add warmth underfoot. To elevate the atmospheric experience, incorporate a fire pit or a compact wall-mounted water fountain, which introduces the soothing sound of trickling water to mask city noises. Lastly, don't forget architectural light fixtures, plush outdoor cushions, and weather-resistant overhead structures like a pergola or canvas sail to provide essential shade and character. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 incredible small private courtyard design ideas from our curated collection to inspire your next outdoor renovation. One, monochromatic elegance with a fire pit hub. In this idea, we see a sophisticated courtyard framed by massive sliding glass doors that completely open up the home. The space features a striking black and white geometric outdoor rug centered around a minimalist black fire pit bowl. Comfortable white sofas with plush blue and patterned accent cushions offer a luxurious spot to lounge, while hanging geometric glass lanterns and sleek wall sconces add layers of refined evening lighting. 2. Sunlit minimalist swing oasis. As shown in this idea, this narrow courtyard design embraces a serene, airy aesthetic with bright white walls and a translucent overhead roof trellis that floods the space with natural light. A wooden swing bench hangs gracefully as the centerpiece, complemented by a pair of modern woven chairs, a simple round coffee table, a lush mossy floor ground, and a stunning tall banana leaf palm that adds a vibrant splash of tropical green. 3. Multi-level Scandi-modern deck. In this idea, a long, narrow layout is transformed using clean lines and a multi-level concrete and timber deck. A long built-in concrete bench with a classic black and white striped cushion pairs beautifully with a modern wooden dining table and sleek white chairs. The perimeter is lined with light brick and timber slat fencing, accented by a beautifully manicured pine tree and a minimalistic concrete outdoor kitchen block. 4. Cozy enclosed lounge with geometric accents. The design in this idea showcases a cozy, fully enclosed courtyard wrapped in a deep gray horizontal slat privacy fence. Built-in concrete planter boxes double as structural bases for a custom wooden floating bench filled with soft gray cushions. A geometric patterned outdoor rug grounds a chic woven conversational set, while delicate string lights overhead cast a magical glow over the surrounding lush green shrubbery. 5. Vibrant bohemian outdoor kitchen. In this idea, we see a colorful bohemian-inspired courtyard that packs maximum functionality into a compact footprint. A fully integrated outdoor kitchen with light sage green cabinetry and a built-in sink sits against a rustic brick wall. A bright coral orange bistro table and chairs rest on a patterned, multicolored rug, completely surrounded by an abundance of tropical potted plants and playful festive bunting flags draped overhead. 6. Formal English-inspired hidden garden. As captured in this idea, this traditional courtyard brings the romance of an English garden to an enclosed space. A perfectly circular green lawn is framed by pristine, low-clipped boxwood hedges and weathered brick pathways. A simple dark wood bistro table sits in the center, leading the eye toward a classical stone lion head wall fountain at the back, completely surrounded by mature trees, climbing ivy and blooming red and purple flowers. 7. Ultramodern breeze block retreat. In this idea, contemporary architecture takes center stage with a stunning white breeze block privacy wall that casts beautiful geometric shadows. A custom low-profile concrete sectional sofa wraps around a minimalist round wooden coffee table, set on elegant herringbone pavers. A raised concrete planter bed hosts an architectural tree and succulents, while a sleek, modern in-ground plunge fountain completes the luxurious resort-like vibe. 8. Zen pebble and stone courtyard. The interior courtyard in this idea demonstrates how to seamlessly integrate nature right into the center of a house structure. Flanked by industrial concrete pillars and a floating timber bench, the ground is covered in a beautiful bed of natural river pebbles and large stepping stones. A delicate frangipani tree grows toward an open skylight, accented by vibrant green ferns and a rustic stone wall backdrop that brings raw texture indoors. 9. Minimalist luxury poolside courtyard. In this idea, clean white architectural lines define a high-end, minimalist private courtyard. A flawless concrete patio features a sleek, flush-mount rectangular plunge pool that mirrors the clear blue sky. A contemporary gray outdoor sofa and matching armchairs provide a comfortable seating area against a crisp white privacy wall, while slender birch trees add organic movement and soft shadows to the bright space. 10. Tropical indoor-outdoor kitchen extension. As seen in this idea, this design blurs the line between a modern kitchen and a lush, tropical courtyard using massive bifold glass doors. The outdoor area features a rustic wooden deck with an L-shaped sectional couch, completely enveloped by giant tree ferns and dense, manicured green bushes. Inside, a bright orange accent wall and sleek concrete countertops perfectly complement the vibrant jungle-like view outside. Transforming a small courtyard into a private oasis is all about understanding your space and letting your personal style shine through. Whether you prefer the clean lines of a modern concrete lounge or the lush, overflowing charm of a tropical retreat, a well-designed courtyard can truly change how you experience your home. It proves that you don't need a massive backyard to create a breathtaking outdoor experience. Just a bit of creativity, the right layout, and a few thoughtfully selected pieces. If you loved these small private courtyard ideas, Please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Drop a comment down below and let us know which image number was your absolute favorite, or tell us how you plan to decorate your own courtyard this season. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and we will see you in the next video.
you.